we have studied that the carbohydrates are prepared, that means glucose, they are prepared by the process of photosynthesis. And what are the main elements those are present in carbohydrates? There are three main elements. The name indicates, first one will be carbon, second hydrogen, and third is oxygen. These three are the main elements in carbohydrates, and they are produced by photosynthesis. Now there is another nutrient, and that is protein. It is also macronutrient. Now this protein contains which elements? There are four elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and fourth one is nitrogen. And these proteins are very important for the growth of that organism. And these are produced. How these are produced now? These are produced by the process of nitrogen fixation. Now you must be thinking, what is nitrogen fixation? So it is nothing but conversion of nitrogen. N is the symbol used for nitrogen, as O is for oxygen, C is for carbon. Like that, there are some symbols used for the elements that will be studied by you in next standard. In 7th standard, there is separate chapter for it. But you can remember the main elements and their symbols here. Production, conversion of nitrogen into nitrates, this process is called nitrogen fixation. This nitrogen fixation is of two types: biological nitrogen fixation and atmospheric nitrogen fixation. Now we will study first of all biological process of nitrogen fixation. There are two types of microorganisms. They are responsible for the process of biological nitrogen fixation. Which are these two types of microorganisms? The first one is rhizobium and second one is azotobacter. Azotobacter and rhizobium, these are two microorganisms. These are bacteria, and where they are present, that we will see. Rhizobium, they are present in root nodules of leguminous plants. Leguminous plants, that means dicot plants are there, and in the root nodules, for example, if you see the plant of groundnut, in that, if you see the plant, if you root out it and if you see the roots of those plants, they will have this root nodules. There are some nodules, round shaped nodules at the roots of those plants, and these root nodules, they contain the rhizobium bacteria. And azotobacter, where it is present? This bacteria is present in soil. What is the function of these two? They absorb atmospheric nitrogen. In atmosphere, nitrogen is present, but it cannot be used as it is by the plants for their growth. That's why it should be absorbed. So it is absorbed by the bacteria, and this atmospheric nitrogen is converted into nitrates. Nitrates means NO3. That means nitrogen, it is converted into NO3, nitrate. And in this nitrate form, they can be used by the plants, they can be absorbed by the plants, that's why, and they can be used for their growth. So this free nitrogen is converted into compound form by combining with oxygen. There is formation of nitrate form. See, N2NO3. This was all about biological fixation. Now atmospheric fixation, nitrogen fixation. It occurs at the time of lightning, whenever there is rain, and at that time there is lightning. And what happens at the time of lightning? There is nitrogen in atmosphere, you know, there is 78% of nitrogen in air, and that atmospheric nitrogen, it combines with oxygen and there is formation of nitric oxide. See, the process will be described here. N plus O, that will give NO. This is nitric oxide, NO. Now this NO, it again combines with oxygen and there is formation of NO2. See, you can see the processes here clearly. NO plus O, it will form NO2. And then this NO2 is nothing but nitrogen dioxide, because it contains two molecules of oxygen. It is nitrogen dioxide. Then third reaction takes place. This NO2, it combines with rainwater. This NO2 combines with rainwater. That rainwater, what is the molecular formula of water? H2O. NO2 plus H2O, it will form nitric acid, HNO3. What is the formula for nitric acid? HNO3. This nitric acid gets added to soil. When nitric acid is formed at the time of lightning, with the rainwater, there is formation of nitric acid, and it gets added to soil along with rainwater. Rainwater, it comes to soil, it reaches to soil, and it gets added to soil along with rainwater, this nitric acid. And this acid reacts with minerals and convert it into salts. There are minerals in the soil, and there is reaction of these minerals with the acid, and there is formation of salt. And these salts, they are used by the plants for their growth. Understood? Very easy. See, nitrogen plus oxygen, there is formation of NO, nitric oxide. NO, nitric oxide plus oxygen, NO2, nitrogen dioxide. NO2 plus H2O, it will form HNO3. That means nitric acid. And nitric acid gets added to soil, and with rainwater it reaches to earth and it mixes with soil. It reacts with the minerals, those are present in soil, and convert them into salts. And this nitrogen, this form of nitrogen, is used by the plants for their growth. In this way, all these things occur in atmospheric nitrogen fixation. Thank you.